I'm Alexander Fleming, Chief Technology Officer of Insichem. I'm so proud to be here addressing you, our friends and investors, whose support makes all the difference for moving the company forward. I think you have a good number of reasons to be supporting Insichem. And likewise, I am honored to be a part of this company. I've only been with Insichem for now about 1 year, but during this time, I have come to understand not only what an important product we have that can make differences for many different conditions, but also all the many friends and supporters behind the company. It's really quite remarkable. Just during my stay here this week in Seoul, I've visited with our chairman and other company officials a number of very high-ranking officials in government and private business. And these relationships are very important for supporting the progress of our company. So we have science working for us. We have a tradition of hard work and dedication. And we have friends who are behind us and will help us get to our objectives and ultimately make a difference for humankind. I've been involved in the pharmaceutical and biotech industry for most of my career. I've had the chance to travel widely and to be a part of a number of different important initiatives, both in terms of drug development and international relationships to support drug development. I am so glad at this point in my career to have this opportunity to be a part of what I think can be a truly groundbreaking organization, both for Korea and on the global scene. Korea has already demonstrated its huge ability to make a difference in major industry sectors. Likewise, I think the pharmaceutical and biotech sectors will ascend to their level of importance internationally from Korea. And Insichem can be a large part of catalyzing that progress. And so it's not just for the company that we're working, or not even just for Korea, but we're working for an important therapy that can make a difference in the lives of people across the world with a number of different disease conditions. In the coming weeks, we're going to be selecting additional therapeutic targets besides our lead therapeutic indication for chemotherapy-induced neutropenia. And it's a challenge because there are a number of important conditions for which we have good evidence that EC18 can be effective and, of course, safe. So we're going to have to be very careful in how we prioritize our therapeutic programs. There are many different important considerations that go into selecting the therapeutic target. And so this is a very exciting thing for us to do, and it's also a very important decision that we'll be making carefully over the coming weeks. In the meantime, we're very much focused on the lead indication and getting our first clinical trial started in the CIN indication. And we're working closely, of course, with premier investigation sites in Korea. These will be joined by sites in the US in the coming months. And our aim will be not just to complete the study on time, but to deliver the results that are going to be important for moving forward. So I want you to know that we have a very energetic, dedicated team at InzyChem, and it's now a global team. It extends across 12 time zones, and we have people working across the US and in Korea. And we'll continue to work hard on your behalf, on behalf of the company, and on behalf of people everywhere. Thank you very much for your support.